Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Roosevelt Elementary School, home of the Huskies, here in West Bloomfield Township and part of the West Bloomfield School District. And I've been here now 4 times. This is one of the newer locations, but you know, it's every time I get to come, we just keep building and building and growing on what we've talked about the previous couple visits. And you know, what's amazing to me is that today's focus on leadership, that's really what this is about too. It's, you know, pulling different skills and talents and character traits all together and then combining them into this like capstone course, more or less, talking about turning our passion into our purpose. You know, what do we love to do? What brings that fire in our belly and our heart? And then go out in this world and start to live that, right? Even at a young age, you know, we can make a difference. Even one small action can make a huge difference. And that's why I wear this shirt, this particular assembly. It's a peace sign, multicolored, but different colors because there's so many different ways to be a leader, right? Some of us lead vocally, loudly, like I do. I talk a lot. Some of us are more quiet leaders, and that's okay too. Have that quiet strength where we lead by example, lead by action. And there's no wrong way or right way to be a leader as long as we're doing something to uplift others, right? In a positive way, in a positive direction. And you know, what's really always a true blessing for me too is the feedback, you know, from students and staff. Said, hey, you know, what you shared really touched my heart, or I remember what you said last time you came and I've thought about that. Not only the miracle concept, like the M on all of our palms, right? I always trace this and talk about this in every assembly, but with lines on our hand, we all have letter M, at least one in each hand. That M stands for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. Not just remembering that to see ourselves and others as that, but to look at that heart first. You know, the heart, you also see the shape here on this design because that's where the passion lies, right? And to know that, you know, we always have to think about ourselves, of course, and take care of ourselves before we can help others, but we also want to know, you know, what can we do for others, right? And if we start understanding that there's going to be certain things that we do in this world that we might not get a trophy for or get paid for, but we still do it because it's the right thing to do. That's an important life lesson to understand, right? For all these youth, people of any age really. And on top of that, you know, we want to kind of get the wheels spinning about what we want to be remembered for. Like, you know, like what that legacy piece is. Hopefully like someone's helping hands. We talked about that today. Like a bowling ball, someone that has strong character, a very strong moral foundation that really puts into action, you know, that leadership every day, to have others look up to them, be that role model, especially for younger students. I talked to the 5th graders today about that. And, you know, we're also thinking about, you know, just other basically ways that when we may be able to do the wrong thing, like when no one's watching, we're still choosing to have the courage to stand up and do what's right, right? Because we know what's right versus wrong, even when that peer pressure comes. But again, someone that's like that bowling ball, you know, it has that strength and that armor, they're not going to be as affected, you know, when something like that comes along, right? They're going to be able to still understand that, you know, they can step up to the plate and, you know, really keep going and, you know, just push past, you know, any negativity that someone might bring them down, or maybe they're going through something tough in their life. So it's, you know, easy to just kind of fold. But, you know, true leaders keep persevering and they keep growing and they keep really having, you know, that moral compass, more or less, to go and do the right thing. So thank you all for touching my heart. It was a great morning and afternoon, as always, here at Roosevelt. You're all on my heart. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. Keep shining your light like the shining star that we talked about, too, in today's programs. And as always, make sure the subscribe button is to pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.